There are several factors that Google takes into consideration when ranking your Google profile. And when you are optimizing your Google business profile, you should consider these top 20 factors. After reading all these 20 factors, you see there's a lot of things that you can work on right away using your Google business profile. Let's start opening your Google business profile going to business.google.com. After you find your business, click on it, and you will see a screen similar to this one. You'll see that all the options available for you to optimize your Google business profile are available on the search panel of Google. And you'll see you have several buttons here. All these buttons will help you manage your profile going forward. And for each one of these buttons, there's a specific thing that you can do. On Edit Profile, for example, you can update your business name, category, description, contact information such as address, phone number, and website. You can also update your service areas, business hours, holiday hours, and a lot more. And you saw that one of the factors is the completeness of your listing. So make sure that you are updating all the information possible in this part of your profile. The other option is read reviews. Here, you can read all the reviews that your customers has given you, and you can reply to all of them. Replying to positive and negative reviews sends a positive signal for Google. There's a button called Messages, and if you have this feature turned on, it will allow you customers to send you instant messages to your profile. To get access to those messages, all you have to do is to download the Google app on your phone. You sign in using the account that has access to your Google business profile, and then you start getting notifications whenever a customer sends you an instant message. If you click on Add Photo, you can update your profile with pictures from inside and outside of your business. You can upload a logo for your profile so people can see it when they find your business. And also, a cover art really helps your business appearance on Google. On Performance, you can see how your profile has been doing. You can see how many people have called, sent messages, requested for directions, and also clicks to your website. On Advertise, you can click on it when you want to open up your Google Ads account or create a new one. And now, for the second row, the options that will show up here will vary depending on the type of business that you run. If it's a restaurant, for example, you would see an added menu, a food ordering, or even waitlist or booking. If it's e-commerce, you will see products, and if it's a service business, you will see added services there. And it doesn't matter which one you use, if it's a menu, if it's product or services, but make sure to include your information here. By including products, services, or items on the menu, you make sure that if people are looking for specific searches like burgers near me, or running shoes near me, or even oil change near me, you have all those services listed on your profile. You can also add the prices of the services as well. This is a form as if you were adding a product. So you can add a product name, you can select a category, the price, the description, and the button, which can drive people to your website. And if you are a restaurant, for example, you can click on Edit Menu, and you can add pictures and the prices here. See? Under Services, you can list services for each category that you have listed under your business. You don't necessarily need to add a services to each category, but it helps categorizing them. The other button available on your profile is Calls. Here, you can click on it. You can see all the calls you have had during a specific time period. So I'm going to just choose December, for example. So if I click here, I can see I have 30 answered calls and 7 missed calls. There's a new feature that Google has launched called Q&A. And this allows you to add questions that are frequently asked by your customers so you can answer them right away. This is really beneficial if you are wasting a lot of time answering the same questions over the phone. And then the last two options is Add Update. In here, you can promote discounts, offers, and even events about your business. If you post often on social media, for example, you can get like the best post of the month and then add to your profile. You can also add an offer if you have a discount on your products or services, and also an event. You don't necessarily need to use all these options, but putting information in this increases the chances of your business being found on Google. And the last button is ask for reviews. By clicking on this button, you can copy a link and then send to your customers. When they click on this link, they go straight to the form where they can leave a review for your business. The best time to share this link with your customers is right after you have done business with them, because they have their order completed and they are happy with the service.